Giganeer is a passion, it's not just a business. The whole point of skills in this space is always going to be a problem.
I'm Chohan. I'm the Operations and Technical Director here at Instinct Hardware. Instinct Hardware are designers and manufacturers of bespoke architectural ironmongery, predominantly made from 316 stainless steel, but also a range of other materials as well. So there were several processes in the factory which we felt that we needed improvement on. There were manual processes which were happening which we'd been doing for some number of years, and we'd identified areas which we thought needed drastic improvement. So we contacted Giganeer to come in and have a look at these processes and try to come up with some better solutions.
I'm Jem Drew, son of a toolmaker, 35 years in engineering and a chartered engineer. Giganeer is a business set up to support SMEs in this space to be able to provide skills on demand. So Giganeer is not a recruitment company. We're not looking to place people actually into roles. We're looking at basically fixing people's problems at source. Generally, a lot of managers haven't got the skills necessarily inside their own teams to be able to do this, and hiring before they invest in equipment is quite tough. So we actually offer that opportunity to actually get skills on demand, as and when needed, in short bursts and affordable. So that's really what we're built for. We're built by SMEs for SMEs.
So once we contacted Giganeer, they sent out a Giganeer and we sat down, we went over a process that we were looking at. We then went through some potential design briefs. We looked over those, we discussed them, and the Giganeer then went away, worked, and came back with some potential solutions.
The outcome of this project was interesting. We've not only delivered on the ask that was given to us, but we also utilised the time that we had on site to be able to help train some of Neil's team to be able to upskill them, looking at new technology in ways that they can improve their own business. So typically we were looking at the manufacture of soft jaws using 3D printing. So I've worked actually with their CAD design team to be able to actually look at implementing that within their business. So this is all about developing new technology into new areas, new solutions and new added value.
The overall outcome was that we were provided a bespoke solution to the process issue we had. There were several factors involved in this solution, not just in solving the problem that was there, but also from other areas. So there were areas that we were shown technology-wise, process-wise, that we hadn't considered before. So the next step in the process is we have now proven that this new process works. We've shown that it has a tangible cost benefit to the business. So the next step is to take that process and develop it even further.
The pool of skills is emptying faster than we're ever going to fill it. So we need to try and find a new way to repurpose those skills. And my idea within Giganeer is to try and develop this across the whole of the UK, a national network of connected engineers, time served, who are able to be able to support local SMEs at that level with local support, with real-time engagement, short-term, quick engagements, low cost, so that basically we can get in, deliver and get out, which allows the CEOs of these companies to be able to actually deliver the full value that basically their businesses can. Working together with Factory Now and MTDCNC, Giganeer are now able to deliver short-term, affordable engineering support to SMEs across the UK and wider Europe. Check out giganeer.com.